Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to output to a TXT file. You do it by including the library called fstream. Then to output to the file, you need to use offstream. It stands for output stream. Then you need to give it a name. Well, let's call it my file this time. Then we're going to open the file. Well, keep in mind that the file doesn't exist and we're trying to create a file and write something in it through C++. So inside the open, you need to give it a name. Well, let's call it writing to file. Well, I don't know why I'm using this long name, but whatever. Then .txt, and you close it. So to write to a file, well, there are multiple ways. The first way, let's say you have a string called text and it has a hello world in it. Well, to put this string into the text, you need to do my file, 2 arrows to the left, and text. And let's build and run this. So, well, you wouldn't see anything. And my source code is located in the folder called C++ source codes, and that TXT file, it's right there. And as you can see, it displayed the hello world message. But now let's say you don't want to write it by assigning string to it. Well, what you can do is you do it the same way, and the way that we write to a file is very similar to the way that we display things. As you remember, when we display something, we use cout and we write a bunch of text and stuff like that. It's very similar to it. You just write the name of the file. In our case, it's my file. Then you have 2 arrows to the left, and you can say I live in Sacramento, for example. And you can put end line. If you put end line, it's going to kick the next text to the next line. If you don't do that, it's going to keep it in the same line. And let's change this to California. Let's build and run this. Alright, so what's going to happen now, as you remember, we had a text called hello world before. This is going to overwrite that text. It's going to delete whatever it had before, and it's going to add that new text to it. So as you can see, display I live in Sacramento, then with the end line, so the next text appeared on the next line. So that's pretty much it. The last thing that you do is you just need to close your file. And that's it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section or email me. As for now, thank you for watching.